Welcome back, finance fans. Financial goals serve as a roadmap on your financial journey. They help define what success means to you and clarify where you want to end up, whether that's saving for a home, retiring comfortably, or paying off debt. This clarity enables you to make informed decisions about your finances. This video is the first part of a 7-part series discussing the most common financial goals and how to work towards achieving them. In this video, we will look at the goal of how to create a budget and stick to it, which is essential for achieving financial stability. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you establish a budget and maintain it effectively. Step 1. Calculate your income. Start by calculating your total take-home pay after taxes and deductions. This includes salaries, side hustle income, and any additional sources of income you may have. Step 2. List your expenses. Identify your regular, fixed expenses such as rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, and loan payments. Track your variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Review bank statements to get an accurate picture of your spending habits. Don't forget about occasional expenses like annual insurance premiums or subscriptions. Estimate these costs on a monthly basis. Step 3. Set spending limits. Organize your expenses into categories, needs versus wants, and allocate specific amounts for each category based on your income. Consider using budgeting rules like the 50-30-20 rule, which allocates 50% of income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. Step 4. Establish savings goals. Set clear savings goals, such as building an emergency fund or saving for retirement. This helps motivate you to stick to your budget. Step 5. Monitor and adjust your budget. Regularly review your spending against your budget to identify areas where you may be overspending. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets for easier tracking. If you have a Mac, the Numbers application has a simple budget template, which is a great way to start and free to use. Be flexible and adjust your budget as needed based on changes in income or expenses. Regularly revisiting your budget can help keep it relevant. Here are 5 tips to help you stick to your budget. Make it realistic. Ensure that your budget reflects realistic spending limits that you can adhere to without feeling deprived. Adjust categories where necessary to avoid frustration. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to savings or investment accounts right after payday. This pay yourself first approach ensures that savings are prioritized. Avoid impulse purchases. Implement strategies such as waiting 48 hours before making non-essential purchases to help curb impulse buying behavior. This time period allows you to conduct research on the product and decide if you really want it or not. Hold yourself accountable. Share your budgeting goals with a partner or trusted friend who can help keep you accountable. Consider using budgeting apps that track progress together with others. Review regularly. Schedule regular check-ins, monthly or quarterly, to review your budget and make adjustments based on changes in your financial situation or goals. By following these steps and tips, you can create a sustainable budget that helps you manage your finances effectively while working towards your biggest financial aspirations. I personally use the Numbers feature on my Mac for my budget, which is easy to use and also kind of fun. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, keep earning, keep saving, and keep investing.